Hey everyone, here's my weekly aquaponics update, and things are going pretty decent this week. So yeah, let's have a quick look at everything that's happening. The basil plant in the new bathtub system has really picked up together quite well. It started flowering, the leaves are all nice and perky. Not a lot of them yet, but I think I'll pinch out these leaves maybe tomorrow, and then it'll hopefully start putting its energy into making leaves again. A whole bit of algae in this system now. I hope that's not draining all of the nutrients. Can't be draining all of the nutrients. Can you make out the green algae there? There's a bunch of it wherever the water is in contact with the sun. Media is still a little too low. Here's the fish in the tub hanging out up there because there's some food floating by, and they're taking at it. So 8 baby tilapia still in there. You make out the little black dots on the bottom of the screen. 2 big tilapia, one over here right below the big water pump, one up there by the power head. All doing quite well, quite happily, and yeah, they seem to be well. I keep finding the tilapia hanging out in that shallow region up there, and he's just sitting there, and whenever I come and I open the thing, he panics and moves out. I don't know why. They ate that little piece of bread I gave them a couple of days ago. I think today I'm going to give them another half piece of bread. Start feeding these guys. They look like they've acclimatized well to the system. Now the old aquaponic system powering along as before. The Armenian cucumbers good bit longer. Okay, that one needs to be trained up as well right here. So we got lots of more flowering. We've got lots of okay, first we get rid of this lemongrass. As you can see, I've kept the old lemongrass tied off since I did that work. It just makes life a lot more convenient, and I get fewer scratches when I go around the system doing work or taking a look at it. And yeah, it doesn't seem to be hurting the plant, so it's all good. This Armenian cucumber's got 3 big fat ones on it right now that I'm going to take out. Here's one. Yeah, it's been slowly filling up this end as well, but it's gotten thick enough, I think, to be ripe, so that's going to come off right now. There's another couple here, big as my fist. One here, and another one right here. So yeah, good couple of Armenian cucumbers. Still curling around. I've no idea. The ones in the Pakiponics aren't curling. So yeah, I'm pretty sure one sponge gourd plant. This is the dead one that you can see in the middle. I haven't bothered to track it. When I did the work by the all around the my siphon here, I'm pretty sure I killed this plant, which you can see is all dead. And I took that sponge gourd on here that we saw last week off just a few days ago. But what's positive is that, let's see if I can get a shot out of the sun. Yeah, you can see all of those plants have spread all the way up there, and they're really powering along again. And the birds seem to have left them alone. They're not eating the leaves up there. I don't know about how the flowers are doing. Here are the fishes. So yeah, still 7 nice, healthy, greedy goldfish who just at the bottom of a big amount of feed that got chucked in, and one, here he is. This is the baby tilapia, and here he's missing his right fin, the one on this side right now, his right, and a big chunk of his tail. But the goldies don't seem to be bothering, and they've got plenty of food, really clean water. Let's see if we can get him to make a move. There he goes, see? So yeah, the fish seem to be treating him well, and yeah, they seem to be quite friendly with each other. They've got enough food, really clean water. What do they care if another person has come in, a crippled new fish has come in? Then again, little do they know that that fish may get big enough to eat all of them. Let's hope it doesn't come to that day. So that's how all the aquaponics are doing. Here's how my dirt plants are. I've gotten some new, I've got some new dirt here that's going to get planted a couple of days. I'm thinking big watermelon planting in a couple of days. The old tomatoes just coming along, basically loads of basil. The peppers are all finished, though that basil's really going mad with flowering. I haven't been pinching them out recently. So yeah, another couple of capsicums. Got a capsicum out of this sometime during this week. Tasted nice in some salsa that Mama made. And the other plants all doing quite reasonably well. As are the transplanted lemon tree and the transplanted berry tree. Little lemons, these ones are growing really slowly, but they are growing, so that's positive. Got some more chilies on this plant. I've got a good couple of dozen chilies out of this already, and I just see 1, 2, 3, 4 more. and I think I'd seen some more flowering, and here's a fifth, oh, and a sixth. So really productive plant, and here's some more flowers, so it'll have some more in it. Here's that lemon tree, the end of my big tomato forest, and still it's got a whole bunch of flowers you guys can make out. The other plants look a little droopy right now because I haven't watered them yet. I'm going to water them soon as I make this video. I got now finish with this video. I got another sponge gourd right here. So babies won't develop in a little while. And yeah, that's about how the systems look, you guys. Thanks as always so much for watching the video and for clicking subscribe and for rating. Please take out a second just to click the thumbs up and the thumbs down, and yeah, leave me an opinion about what you think of the system, if you have any help about it, if you like it, if you don't like it, you know, whatever. It's good to get feedback, you guys. So thanks for watching. Have a nice week. Cheers.